This 2017 Forest River Forester La 2251 SLE Ford is a Class C RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.